Okay. What the hell is that? I don't know. Anyway. November what? 6th. Lots of rain. We had lots of rain, and more rain is coming tonight and tomorrow. And walking the dog in the trails outside, north side, Carlton Park, where idiot mayor Mike O'Brien refused to put a washroom. Okay, focus trails. Here's your trail. Let me let you loose for a minute. There. And the trails are flooded. Is it safe to put you in there? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. DOJ, come on. Oh, it went down. Okay. That's it. Last night. Yeah, it went down. It was flooded till here.